Thanks for visiting my channel today. Work at Home was created to bring job opportunities to job seekers, retirees and others who are looking for work from home jobs. I enjoy creating videos for my YouTube audience and anyone looking for work at home. To get updated information on jobs, subscribe to my channel, and click the notifying bell so that you will not miss out on current job postings. In this video, I will be presenting some job opportunities that will let you work from home. There is a fast-growing acceptance of virtual work in many industries, along with the global pandemic highlighting the vital importance of many healthcare positions. Work-from-home nursing jobs are more prevalent than ever. Remote nurses provide telephone support, advice, and follow-up services to patients, and they can also work in case management and recruiting. Remote nurses help make it easier for elderly and immunocompromised patients, as well as patients living in rural areas far from healthcare facilities, to access care. The majority of remote nursing positions are a combination of remote work and travel and may have location requirements. For more information on each of these companies, check out their career page. Here are the 13 companies that hire nurses to work remotely. The first company is Aetna. Aetna is a leading insurance company, has regular openings for remote registered nurse positions. The average national salary for this position is $71,700 per year. Check out their careers page for more details. 2. American International Group, AIG. AIG has remote medical reviewer openings occasionally. Keep in mind you have to spend a certain amount of time training on location before you start working remotely. The average annual pay for a medical reviewer in the United States is $71,298 a year. 3. Cigna. This major healthcare company has nurse care manager roles. The national average for experienced nurse case manager roles is $72,110 a year. Search their careers page to find the latest openings. 4. Healthfirst. This company has registered nurse and nurse care manager roles. The national average salary for these positions are $72,110 to $79,600 per year. 5. HMS Healthcare. This company handles the fraud identification of healthcare payments. You can find positions like nurse reviewer and medical review with this company. National average for these two positions are $87,000 for nurse reviewers and $100,000 for medical reviewers. 6. Conifer Health Solutions. Conifer Health Solutions has many positions related to healthcare. You can apply for roles like RN, coding, and personal health nurse, etc. Check their website for current openings and salary details. 7. Carecentrics. Most of the nursing jobs in Carecentrics are acute care nurse liaisons. The job might involve some travel, and it hires only experienced nurses. The national average for this position is $79,400 per year. 8. Kepro. This healthcare company often hires registered nurses as clinical assessors. Check their website for current openings. The national average for this position is $79,300 per year. 9. United Health Group. This insurance giant has many remote nursing jobs like RN case manager, telephone triage, vocational nurse, etc. Right now, on its website, they have many positions in remote nursing jobs. The pay varies depending on the position. 10. Fonemed. This company hires nurse counselors and nurse practitioners. These positions would be working in telephone triage. It hires from the USA and Canada. Salaries can range between $64,149 and $79,505 per year. 11. Triage for Pediatrics. Triage for Pediatrics has work-from-home nursing jobs in after-hours telephone triage. It is very strict about prior experience in pediatrics. Salaries can range between $64,149 and $79,505 per year. 12. Carenet Health. This company recruits registered nurses and online call center agents to work in telephone triage. You need to be an experienced RN with a background in nursing. The average national salary is $70,700 per year. 13. Citra Health Solutions. This company hires registered nurses to work in telephone triage with patients. The work involves working on weekends. Salaries can range between $64,149 and $79,505 per year. Some qualifications that may be required for these nursing positions are 2 to 3 year RN diploma, associate degree in nursing, ADN, or a 4-year Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BSN. Check out these healthcare companies' career pages for more details. Thanks for watching, and if this is the first time visiting my channel, subscribe. Click the bell to be notified of upcoming job opportunities. Click the thumbs up to like this video. And until my next video, have a nice day.